Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the YouTube video. I hope you've had a wonderful start to the week so far. And today I've come with a bit of a different video for you guys. I'll be speaking about one way you can make money online, and that one way is through Upwork. Now, Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that connects freelancers with clients from all around the world. So if you're looking to start your freelancing career, Upwork can be a great place to start. So let's dive straight into today's video. 5 steps that I would recommend to you guys, and the first one would be to create an extremely strong profile. Now, the first step to making money on Upwork would be to create a strong profile. Your profile is your digital representation, and it is important to make a great first impression. Start by filling out your profile completely and showcase as many skills as possible. Showcase your experience, showcase your portfolio, and make sure you add a professional profile picture and a catchy headline. Remember, clients are looking for experts in their fields, so make sure you highlight your skills and accomplishments. And remember this, the more experience you have, the better your portfolio is, the more sales you'll be able to generate. Now, the second step would be to bid on relevant projects. Now, the second step of making money on Upwork is to bid on relevant projects. Once you've created a strong profile, start searching for projects that match your skills and expertise. Make sure you read the project description carefully and make sure you can deliver the project within the client's budget and deadline. And if you're not able to do that, it could harm your profile's reputation. So you need to make sure that you provide high quality work, and you should only bid on projects that you believe you'll be able to fulfill within the deadline and within the budget. Now, the third and most important step, I would say personally, is to provide high quality work. The third step to making money on Upwork is to provide high quality work. Once you've landed a project, make sure you deliver high quality work that meets the client's expectations. Communicate with the client regularly and ask for feedback on your work, as this will help you improve your profile reviews. If your client is satisfied with your work, they may provide you with a positive review, which can land you more projects in the future. Step 4 would be to build long-term relationships with your clients. The fourth step to making money on Upwork is to build long-term relationships with your clients. If you deliver high-quality work and the client is satisfied, don't be afraid to ask for more work for a long-term contract. Building long-term relationships with clients can help you earn a stable income and avoid the stress of constantly bidding on projects. So that is one thing that my friend also does. He has built long-term relationships with his clients that allows him to generate much more revenue than his competitors. And the fifth thing that I would recommend to making money on Upwork would be to expand your skills. The fifth and final step to making money on Upwork is expanding your skills. The freelancing market is highly competitive and the clients are looking for experts in their field. Take the time to learn new skills and expand your knowledge bases. This will help you stand out from other freelancers and increase your chances of landing more projects. That's it for today on how to make money from Upwork. We hope you find these tips helpful. Remember, creating a strong profile, bidding on relevant projects, providing high quality work, building long-term relationships, and expanding your skills are the key ingredients to success on Upwork. If you have any questions or tips on how to make money from Upwork, you can leave your comments down below and I'll make sure that I reply to all of them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.